Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, I'm Melody or new but you're welcome, and to my old subscribers, welcome back. On this video is a tutorial on how to do your eyebrows, so if you are interested, stay tuned. The first thing you want to do is to shape your eyebrows, and I have a video on how to do that, and I'm going to post that on my description box. Just brush your eyebrows up after shaping them. Today I'm going to be using my eyelash glue, my first eyelash glue by Dio, to do my eyebrows. This is just a secret, I'm just letting you guys know. I use this to do my eyebrows most of the time, and it just comes out looking nice. Why? Because it doesn't have oil in it, and it just has a way of making your hair stick upwards all day. So I'm just going to just apply that on my eyebrows and leave it for like some seconds to get a little bit tacky before brushing them up. So here guys, I'm just applying the eyelash glue and brushing them upwards. As you can see, the eyelash adhesive is very effective. Lily, look at how the hair is just sticking up immediately, sticking upwards immediately, like immediately. And trust me guys, my hair is going to stay this way all day, and it's going to be very difficult to wash to wash off this eyelash glue, but then who cares. I'm just going to brush up my hair, and now that I'm done, I'm going to take my eye pencil, and for today I'm going to be using two different eye pencils. I'm going to be using one regular eye pencil, I don't know what the name is, but I'm going to be using that, and I'm also going to be using a Beauty Line by Didi eye pencil. When I say eye pencil, I mean eyebrow pencil. So this is the regular eye pencil I'm going to be using, and guys, I don't know the name. Just look for, I think there's one Davis is also a good one. Just get your regular eye pencil. I'm just going to sharpen it up. You can also use your eyebrow gel, but today I'm going to be using this pencil. Just make sure the tip is sharp, and start by drawing a line on the inner corner of your eyebrows. Then you start to extend the line to your eyebrow bone. Then when you get to your eyebrow bone, you take it down to create a curve. Guys, use your natural eyebrows as a guide. Then the next thing you want to draw is a line above your eyebrows, and you want to start from the middle and not the end. From the middle, just draw a line. To get your arc, please measure from the side of your nostril, and wherever the eye pencil points at is your arc. Take the line down at that point and take it to meet the line you drew initially. To get where your eyebrow should stop, just take your eye pencil and place it at the end of your nostril to the end of your eyes. Then wherever your eye pencil points at should be where your eyebrow stops. Guys, just extend it a little bit into the inner corner of your eye. Then next, I'm going to go with my Beauty Line by Didi eye pencil, and I'm going to just use it to draw hair-like strokes upwards to fill in the sparse areas, and also for a hair-like feathered illusion. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but it just makes your eyebrow hair look as natural as possible. So please fill it in using hair-like strokes upwards. Just follow your natural eyebrows and you'll be good to go. You'll be fine. So that is what I'm doing now. I'm taking it easy with my eyebrow pencil and just giving my hair light strokes, filling the sparse areas or the scanty area of my eyebrows, and making my eyebrow look as natural as possible. You just want to be as consistent with it as possible, and this is how it should look at the end of the day. Now I'm going to go ahead to fill in the inner corner of my eyebrows. You need to be very careful while doing this and try as much as you can to make the lines as faint as possible. Now that I'm done with this eyebrow, I'm just going to go ahead to do the other one. And guys, you want to take the same step you took initially. Just try as much as you can to get the same shape, the same size. Try as much as you can to make them look identical as possible. They might not look completely the same, or they might not look like photocopies, but at least let them look alike a little bit. Now that you are done with that, my lovelies, the next thing you want to do is to go with your concealer, and I'm using a concealer by Zaron, and you want to use your flat brush to apply your concealer. So guys, use your concealer to like outline the line you drew under your eyebrows, to clean it up, straighten the line and make the line pop more, and also to highlight your eyebrow bones. Guys, I'm doing that right now. After that, go with your blending brush. I'm using this big blending brush and I'm just going to use it. I'm going to go ahead to do my other eyebrow, and I'm going to start by doing my eyebrow bone, then taking the concealer to the inner corner of my eyebrows, then use my blending brush to blend out the concealer evenly. When you're done with blending, you can now go ahead to do your eyeshadow, your false lashes, your eyeliner, whatever. But this is what the finished look looks like. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, click the notification option to get notified each time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and see you on my next video. Mwah.